Hi everyone, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and a first impression video of my new Fifine K669B metal USB microphone that I was able to buy through my coffee. It was my coffee goal, and I was able to achieve this through art commissions that I got from there, and also a bit of my own savings that I made. So this was my first coffee goal that I was able to achieve, which was a real blast. And I am by no means an expert when it comes to technology in the sound and music department. I've watched multiple reviews and comparison videos of various microphones that were within the same budget as this. Uh, I guess you could call it mid-tier or a bit lower than mid-tier microphones. And I was debating on whether getting this one or the Mauno AU-A04 microphone. And so yeah, I just didn't want to go for like straight up for the top tier ones because it just didn't feel like that would be a wise decision. And in the end, I decided to go with this one, the Fifine one, Fifine, I don't know, as it was more reasonable than the Mauno microphone. Even though the Mauno one came with its own boom arm and pop filter set, so it was like a complete set, whereas with this one I got a separate pop filter and boom arm separately, and but it was still cheaper. This comes with its own stand, which, as you can see from the video, and it's alright, but I wouldn't recommend this because it picks up sound from your keyboard and your hands while you're moving about while you're recording and or live streaming, for example. And so I would recommend a boom arm over this, like the built-in or the stand that it comes with. And even now I'm using this microphone to record my voiceovers and the previous two studio vlogs, and I can already tell the massive difference in quality over the previous generic lapel pin microphone that I used. And so yeah, it's been a massive upgrade, a good setup, a good purchase. So yeah, overall it's been a good purchase, and a massive thank you to all my coffee supporters and people who commissioned me so that I could make this purchase and upgrade my setup. So thanks everyone, cheers. Hey, you reached the end of the video. If you enjoyed watching this video, may I recommend watching the videos on the left? And if you haven't subscribed yet, tap that profile picture on the right. See you next week.